Good morning. It's already 10:30. I was not able to start the vlog really early, like because I was doing this and that, cleaning the house and all this thing. And mom gets up so early, and she almost finished cooking some of the stuff for Holi. As you guys know, Holi is coming up. It's a color of festivals, so it's a festival of color. Sorry, and. So let me quickly show you what she's making right here. She's making kanji ka pani. So she mashed up mustard seed, black and yellow, and she just added some water, and she's gonna keep it for like 2 days. You're gonna keep it for 2 days? Yes. Okay, so she's gonna keep this for 2 days, and it's gonna become tangy. And over here, these are the vadas for dahi vada, right?
Yes.
And these are for the kanji ka pani. So she's already cooked all the things, and we just got done with our breakfast. So this is what is happening. She added some. What did you add, Canada?
I had just now salt, and I'll be adding hing, zira powder,
and paprika.
Very little. And this will be the hing.
Okay. So this is
powder.
cumin powder. So this is what is going on. I am drinking orange juice here, and I'm gonna go edit my video right now so that I can publish it for you guys, so that you guys can watch how much we had fun yesterday. Marvel is right here playing with his piggy. Marvel, hold on. Yes. Is this your piggy friend? So this is his piggy friend. He makes a sound like this. It's very cold outside today. It's rainy, it's windy. So it's not at all like the weather to go out to the beach or something, or even to the pool. Right, Marvel? So yeah, so she's almost done in the kitchen, and we will also be making gujia, but not today. I think tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll make gujia. So we have everything, like all the ingredients to make the gujia, like khoya, coconut, and whatever she needs of the dry fruits and stuff. Everything is ready. And let's start editing videos. Marvel the way he's sitting with mom. Marvel. Okay, so I took bath and I just made lunch. I wanted to keep it light. It's in my instant pot here. So I made. You guys must have seen it in my previous vlogs. I made the keema fried rice with cottage cheese and all the veggies and all the stuff. So that's in the instant pot. It's gonna pressure cook and it's gonna be ready. My young made raita, and right now I just have 2-3 dishes here. I'm just gonna wash them up and put them in the dishwasher, and I will be done. I also uploaded a video, so go and watch it. The previous one, if you guys haven't watched it, like, subscribe, share, and yeah. So, क्या? अभी तो हाँ मैन का ऑफिस चल रहा है ना, वो आपको हेल्प कर देगा फिर जब वो. So it's raining so it's gonna be raining whole day. That's why we are planning to not do anything outdoor. Like we had plans of taking her to boardwalk and all this stuff and take her to the beach or something, but because of the beautiful rain we cannot go out anywhere. So we are pre-planned. So we are gonna go to the mall and we'll show her the mall, roam around, and I guess, I'm not sure, but I guess we'll have dinner in PS Chan. Let's see. So my quinoa fried rice is ready. Here's the raita. It has all the goodness like onion, tomato, green chili, cilantro. Oh my god. And here is the vegetable quinoa. We just added ghee here and here. We have some papa ready. Super excited to eat it. Lunch is ready. She's gonna eat quinoa for the first time. I'm gonna record her reaction, how she feels it, like whether she likes it or not. I'm sure she'll like it because taste is good. It's not bad at all. Let me set the camera. Yeah. Well, we love quinoa. We always eat it. Good.
Mama ko naman kam lagi lang.
अच्छा नहीं लगा?
ठीक लगा. बहुत डिफरेंट लगेगा टेस्ट इसका.
हाँ, taste is different.
रायता अच्छा है. चटनी भी ठीक है. चटनी भी चटपटी है.
हाँ.
रायते के साथ मिक्स करके खाएंगी.
अच्छा लगा?
नमक कम नहीं लगेगा. अच्छा लगेगा.
Different.
Cool. You love it?
I always love
It's very different.
डिफरेंट के साथ साथ मम्मा ये अगर आपको इंडिया में मिले दिस इज वेरी हेल्दी.
Yeah.
मतलब राइस खाने से अच्छा है.
जैसे ही खाते हैं इसको. क्यों खा के बहुत लाइट लगता है, मतलब भरा भरा नहीं लगता.
वो जैसे दलिया हम लोग को लगता है ना खास लाइट. हल्का सा बनाते हैं सब्जी डाल के और टेस्ट इसका कड़ा है थोड़ा.
टेस्ट तो बहुत कड़ा है. Look at Marvel. It's so cool that we just give him this blanket and he's sleeping here with this blanket. So cute. Anyways, mom is gone. She's resting. I'm gonna eat ice cream sandwich. So let me show you this. Which one is my favorite one? Hold on. Where is it? So this is like my favorite brand. It's called Klondike sandwiches, classic vanilla. I love dark chocolate. I love chocolate flavor and dark chocolate, but this is the only thing that I eat in vanilla. So good. I'm gonna eat half and give half to May because I cannot finish the entire sandwich. So it's like literally a sandwich, and this is like a very soft biscuit kind of thing. So good. Mom is already in bed. She's sleeping. Right here. My English is working. I think it stopped raining now, but still, it might just rain anytime kind of thing. It's okay. Mayank made this coffee for Mama. Oh my God! Look at this, beautiful. He is expert in making this kind of coffee. It's called cappuccino, right?
What cappuccino?
Cappuccino
This is vanilla.
with vanilla cappuccino.
This is
So, and she's gonna give me. I'll take picture. Give me. I'll take the picture. Yep. Okay, perfect. Got it.
Your coffee.
Yep. Hold on. And my coffee is right. Did you add any sugar?
No, I didn't.
This is just normal black vanilla coffee.
No, still no biscuits, no.
Marble करें?
Marble.
Marble wrong. Out. Out.
No marble, no.
Marble कर. दिखाओ मेरे को.
बहुत सुंदर लग रही है, वेरी अट्रैक्टिव।
वो ड्राइंग तो कर दो जरा.
सीखनी पड़ेगी ये रखो कैसे बनानी है।
एक सेकंड। Join कर दो ये?
और क्या ये घुसेगा नहीं ना वरना ये
घुसेगा नहीं ना आपके पास। आराम से लेती ना। ये
अरे तो बिस्किट
अरे अभी बिल्कुल नहीं पेट में जमा नहीं है। आराम से खाइए ना। सॉरी।
ग्लास
तुम इधर बैठ जाओ. मम्मा के इधर.
ये फ्लोटिंग कॉफी हम लोग के वहाँ पर इसको फ्लोटिंग कॉफी बोलते हैं।
बरसता में मिलती है
हाँ,
कॉफी.
फ्लोटिंग कॉफी।
Okay guys, so we are in the mall. This evening we are taking her to mall to roam around, shop around, and I think we're gonna have pizza for dinner. So we're gonna make her eat the pizza that we always eat, which is thin crust and which you don't get in India. Like no Dominos.
That is important to tell. You do not get that pizza crust
Yeah.
in India.
No Dominos serves that pizza in India. Like nowhere. Okay, so she loves flowers, so she's like, oh my god, this flower is so pretty, kind of thing. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna take pictures over here because it's beautiful, and this guy is here. So let's take pictures and let's Tuesday, and this is what we love, empty malls. We can just roam around freely. It's super cute. It's super not cute. It's super cold. That's why everyone is wearing jackets. It's raining also. And yeah. Okay guys, so we roamed around Macy's and everything, H&M. I got something for myself from H&M, and now we are taking her to a Tesla showroom to show her Tesla cars, because it's something that you don't want to miss it, kind of thing. That is where we're going right now, and from there we're gonna go get Godiva chocolates. She wanted to carry some back to India, and then we'll go home. We'll pick up pizza and then we'll go home. So, yeah. There is the Tesla showroom. Oh my god, we love the cars here. Oh yeah. Learning about the car.
ये पूरी इलेक्ट्रिक है. अभी जब ये देखिए ये आगे का ट्रक बना हुआ है. इसको अगर
He's open the trunk.
ऑटो पार्किंग सब कुछ ऑटो में. लाइट्स वगैरह, हेडलाइट्स वगैरह, फ्रंट फॉग लाइट्स, डोम लाइट्स, एम्बिएंट लाइट्स, सब यहाँ पे ये ऑटो पायलट.
हाँ ये ऊपर का भी लेना था ना वीडियो, पूरा ले लो वीडियो. और 6 सीटर है, पीछे भी 6 सीट्स.
यस, वो सीट्स वगैरह यहीं से क्लोज कर सकते हैं.
And now we are going to Godiva. Are you enjoying, Mama?
And
Very much. Very
while
much.
you guys purchase from Godiva, I'm gonna sit and order pizza
Yeah, so we'll
so
just
that
pick
we can
it
just go and pick it up.
Yeah. She loved the Tesla cars. And yep. It was fun roaming around in the mall.
On a Tuesday.
Yep, on a Tuesday. Do you want to eat ice cream? In Godiva? Oh, wait.
Ask Mama if she
Mama,
wants to. I
आपका
can
ice cream
pack
खाने
also
Godiva?
Godiva.
Dark chocolate.
Okay guys, so we are back home. Mom is getting changed. We already did. She's prepping up the pizzas. This is the thin crust pizza that I haven't seen in Domino's in India, and this is just large. There is an extra large also.
Yeah.
So there is a huge size difference that you get in pizza here versus India. So that's why we wanted to give her an experience of having a thin crust. We got the Cajun fries from popular Five Guys, and we got the cheesy bread with the marinara dip. So that is what we are gonna have.
Yeah.
So we have been watching this movie that apparently we started getting interested,
Yeah.
and we didn't think we would. But anyway, so we are gonna enjoy this delicious dinner which is getting cold and watch that movie. I think I can last for the whole movie, but not sure if Mom would. So we'll just see. So we are gonna watch the movie and enjoy the pizza. It's pizza night on Tuesday. Imagine.
Yeah. This is the kanji ka pani with the vadas that she made. And
So this is kanji vada.
yeah, kanji vada. We'll keep it outside for 2 days until it becomes like tangy and sour.
It's like pani puri ka pani that they are explaining to me that it's like pani puri ka pani. It's a little bit tangy. It's a little bit salty.
Yeah.
You know.
So this is for Holi, so it'll be ready by Thursday,
I
right?
can already smell it actually.
Yeah.
So, yep. Anyways, we are gonna go enjoy our dinner and then see you guys before we hit the bed. As usual, she cannot leave the sink. Even 2 or 3 glasses were there. I mean, trust me, I would have just gone and slept. I'm so tired. Look, like literally 2 cups of coffee and 2 glasses of wine. And I told her to leave it in there and she couldn't. She just couldn't. So, she is just cleaning it up real quick. And this guy is already asleep down here. So I'm gonna go and hit the bed now because we have 2 more days to set everything up. Tomorrow I think they are gonna make kujia. Day after tomorrow is Holi, and day after tomorrow we have to go pick up her sari and blouse and everything in the evening as well. Pack our bags. Friday morning I'll have to go leave Marvel at 8 and then leave for Tight as well. So anyways, a lot of stuff is happening. A lot of awesome vlogs will be coming soon. So stay tuned, and for now, bye-bye.
Bye.